In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email and activities on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the setup process first. To get started, open the Emails and Activities app on an item in your board. You'll be prompted to connect your Gmail or Outlook account using OAuth for authentication. It's a straightforward process, but you must authorize permissions for Monday.com. This allows the platform to read and write emails on your behalf. Keep in mind that only emails sent or received after you complete this setup will be logged in the app. Next, let's explore how email logging works. Emails are automatically logged in the item's timeline if they meet certain criteria. For instance, any email sent directly from the Emails and Activities composer on an item will be logged. Additionally, outgoing or incoming emails will be logged if the recipient's email address is listed in an email column on the item and the sender is your connected account. If a contact is listed on a connected item through a Connect Boards column, emails with that contact will also be logged. A handy feature is that once a thread is logged, all subsequent replies or forwards within that thread will be automatically recorded. This remains true even if you remove or change recipients. Now let's touch on managing your timeline efficiently. You can delete emails if needed. Simply click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of an email message in the timeline and select the Delete option. Do keep in mind that deleting an email removes the thread from all items in your account where it was logged. For a more focused view, you can use the filter icon to show only item-related activities. This option hides emails associated with connected items, making it easier for you to see what's relevant to your current item. If you ever decide you want to stop logging emails, it's quite simple. You can start by removing contacts. Just delete the email address from the item's email column. While replies to existing threads will still get logged, no new threads will start after this. If you wish to remove your account entirely, click the three-dot menu next to your email connection in the settings and choose the Remove Account option. For a more thorough disconnection, visit the Automation Center, click the Gmail or Outlook icon, select any recipe involving your account, and click the trash icon next to your account to fully delete the connection. Lastly, let's talk about email and link tracking. When composing an email, you have the option to enable tracking. Just tick the email tracking box to start monitoring when an email is opened or when any links within it are clicked. You can easily review the analytics right next to the email in your timeline. If you see Seen, that means the recipient has opened the email. If it says Not Opened Yet, it may mean either the recipient hasn't opened it or security settings are blocking the tracking pixel. Additionally, you'll notice the number of link clicks displayed next to the clicked status. With these steps, you're well on your way to effectively managing your email and activities on Monday.com. Thank you for watching.